Festivity. Festivity without kids is just a pan without a lid. The merry making with festoons and togetherness is a boon. The numerous tussle and hustle which our relation do embezzle. Though money is a basic requisite, love and care it fails to elicit. The smiling faces around the decked Christmas tree, broadcasting their joy in finding their gifts with glee. The raisins and nuts do they eagerly blend to the Christmas pudding to offer their friend. Wishes, hugs, and gifts do they exchange to reap blessings without range. The echoing voices of carols and the lullaby of laurels yearn to narrate, staying awake, baking in unison the Christmas cake. Never miss to enjoy all the fun, for sometimes for it you will have to run. Gloomy hours to count and euphoric hours to recount. By Mrs. Mary Rani.